Bread is bad for you. It's gonna kill you. So yeah. Episode 3, and today we have a very special guest. This is, introduce yourself. I'm Olivia Dinino.
And she's like basically a celebrity.
Basically, and she loves coffee, and we're going to talk about that later. But why don't you tell us what recipe you brought today? Monster cookies.
Ooh. What are monster cookies?
They're like cookies that you make without, I think, flour?
No, we have.
No flour.
No flour.
But it's oats, and it's peanut butter. You got creamy peanut butter. That's what it calls for.
Oh, really?
We
I
didn't
didn't
really
look
look
at
at
the
the peanut butter. Okay, so we're gonna let you do the first step today.
I was unaware of this.
Did you want to go over the ingredients?
No.
We should probably go over the ingredients. We should probably go over that.
Okay, again, like last time, ingredients are going to be listed below, but also we'll quickly go through them. Each of us will take an ingredient. Ready, go. Eggs, oats, baking soda, M&M's, peanut butter, chocolate chips, vanilla, butter, brown sugar, salt, cups.
What is this?
Sugar. These things. First step is put on aprons.
Did we wash our hands?
No.
We should wash our hands. And then we can just rub these on our aprons because our aprons are clean.
She used a towel. I used to put.
We're just gonna go old school.
We're like real chefs now.
Yes.
Okie dokie.
It's so funny how everyone's stomach makes a different sound when you hit it.
First step, we're gonna let you do.
What?
Yeah. You do. What's the first step? Actually, we did the first step. Aprons, we washed our hands. So third step.
Episode 3. Third step.
You.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Our third person. What do I do? You are going to.
I'm going to. What? Preheat.
The oven
to
350 degrees Fahrenheit. We thought it was crazy to do it.
People.
I know.
I'm done.
We are going to mix all of the ingredients in our wonderful mixing
bowl,
machine.
which we now figured out how to use, but she doesn't know how to use.
So we're gonna let her figure it out.
We're gonna let her do it.
Okay, Katie, do you want to put the eggs in the bowl? Yeah, Katie's good for that.
Katie did a great job last time.
Oh, that's smart. Let's take it out. Ha! Perfect.
Got him. Okay, so you're gonna crack.
You did it again!
Oh, we each crack one. There's 3 eggs.
Katie has a beat. She goes bum 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 bum.
Nope, you did it wrong.
I did it wrong.
Yep.
You guys can crack.
No,
your
you
turn.
do it. You don't have to do it like this. You know I hate cracking. I know
eggs.
that's why you practice. I actually didn't know.
Oh, you don't have to do the beat.
Too bad.
Yay! You're cracking me up.
Also, so we needed to mix in the eggs and the sugar first.
Eggs and the sugar. So we need a cup of granulated sugar. So we're gonna go ahead and we put them in jars. I need a man.
A man?
To open this.
I'm a man.
Oh, I got it.
I need a man.
I'm
You
the
don't
man.
need no man.
Wait. This. It closes up. Yes. Like a paddle. What are you doing to
Hang
me?
on.
What are you doing to
Hang
me?
on, move. Get out of the way. Okay, success.
Ready?
No!
What is happening? Ah! Okay, we need a cup of sugar. Wait, you don't shake.
Oh, honey,
Okay.
honey,
Cup of sugar.
Do you want to pour?
That smells good.
It's
It's in your hand.
Okay, we need to stir that.
We need 1
Too much
1/4
coffee.
of brown sugar as well before you start.
Before?
Yep. 1 1/4 of brown sugar before.
And it says packed. So pack it in there.
We're gonna. It's already packed. It
Are you
is
taking it somewhere?
packed. We are packed for a vacation and a wahoo!
Really? Is that
No,
sponsored? Are we
I
going?
wish. This is packed a cup.
Okay.
And we need another quarter. Do you have a quarter?
In the car, I do.
Heads or tails? Quickly, heads or tails, ready, set, go.
Tails. Heads.
No. There you go.
How do I? Okay,
What
so
do I
you press
do?
a button, and then you push that thing up.
Yep, yep.
Heyo!
Ta-da!
But it doesn't stay up, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't.
You have to hold it. I watched that in your last video.
She didn't watch the whole video. She would have watched the whole
It was like
You know,
17
it
minutes.
does stick by itself.
Does it?
You didn't do it.
Got
There
it!
you
Got it! That was good
So
job.
you have to stir until it's like light and fluffy, right? Or not?
I mean, it's not quite light and
Well,
fluffy.
it said to put everything in the bowl.
Wait, so I said
different.
stir and then what?
Well, because you had said to put just eggs and sugar.
That's what it said in the instructions.
Oh, it just said everything.
Should I stop it? Because I stopped it.
Yeah, stop it.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it.
Beat together the eggs and sugars, and then add the salt, vanilla extract, creamy peanut
Alright,
butter, and
alright.
butter.
Okay, we need half a teaspoon of salt.
Put it in. What am I doing? We're gonna need vanilla extract.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we need 12 ounces of peanut butter.
Good job, Katie.
That's
Not
your
good
coffee.
job. Oh, crap. So there's some
Language.
Oh, man.
Did you put a lot?
Just like a teaspoon?
So we're making vanilla cookies.
Vanilla monster. Vanilla monster.
Can you just stick a softened butter?
Ooh, creamy.
And then we're gonna add the M&Ms and chocolate chips. So Katie's putting in the peanut butter.
M&Ms. I don't even know.
I'm losing them. You're losing you. Chocolate chips. 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Soda.
Oven's ready.
Oven is ready. It is
Long
hot and ready. Okay, Katie. Okay.
Okay, is that good?
You're good.
Okay, cool.
Okay, we're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Soda.
1. 2. Okay. Then we need
Then we need.
4.5 cups of oats.
Holy cow.
It's because we're not using flour. Haha.
I'm gonna stop laughing.
One.
She can laugh at mine.
Hey,
She's doing
you're
that
up.
on purpose. Oh. 2.
We haven't gotten this coordination thing done.
No.
Slide to the left.
Are you making fun of me behind me again? She does this in every video. Yeah,
Right.
I know. 3, you get to do 4.
It's a half, I thought.
4.5.
A 4.5.
It's probably the whole container.
You should have done the math.
We did. It's not the whole container.
Then why would you say that it's probably the container?
Well, because it looks like it might be. Maybe they didn't put the directions correctly.
Maybe they were wrong.
Maybe they were. They.
Who is they?
The man.
I'm the man.
Okay, are you?
And that's all of the ingredients. Hey! We are going to start mixing. Do you want to do the honors? Your honor.
I'll say that.
She wants
She'll
to.
do it.
She wants to do it.
I
I don't. It's okay if I'm your guest. I'm not that special.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you want some mixing music?
Yes.
Yes!
No one's watching the bowl.
We're gonna take these and we're gonna roll them into balls and then put them onto the cookie sheets that already have baking paper on it. We use cookie baking sheets.
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper, that's what it's
Oh,
called.
that's hot.
That's hot.
I love you guys.
Oh, why am I not in this hug?
Oh, and you dirty.
Nobody was in this hug.
I thought she was hugging you,
And I was just like,
I think every time I hang out with you guys, I laugh more than I like. I'm a straight face.
My face literally
hurts.
hurts.
Yes, I get it. Yes.
You gotta go. My face hurts too much.
no, I can't feel my face when I'm with you.
Come back, but we love it.
And I love it.
She left.
She can't feel her face when she's with us. But she, baby, come back every day. I try to wait another day.
I don't know this
and
song.
my heart is breaking. I try to
Oh, I guess she.
Where did you come from?
Where did you go? Where did you just like that. And then you take this and you stick it on the cookie sheet.
How much
Like,
are we
like,
using?
I want like that much. How much are you doing? You're about the same.
Yeah, about the same.
Oh, okay.
Just like a.
So if you take this
It's like a
out
little
of
ball,
yeah.
your cooking bowl, this is pretty much how much. I know there's no measurement, and Katie hates that.
Sorry.
If you make it like what they say, like a half inch or something.
Half inch.
No, that's like an inch.
No, this is
There's peanut butter on my foot.
It's okay.
What if I say it's not okay?
I think it is.
But I don't.
Well,
It's okay. You don't have a say. Sarah's man.
gonna take these and we're gonna roll them up. We're gonna roll them up.
You know what I think we should be listening to during this time?
What?
That music. Yes. Go.
Do what?
Oh. Hashtag just an excuse to listen to this song.
We literally found this song and we're like, we're gonna make this whole video around that song, which is why we told Miss Olivia over here to wear a flannel today.
I love Olivia.
Oh, I don't know that song. I don't know what
I tried to sing along.
Olivia.
Okay,
We're gonna
sorry.
put the cookies into the oven. The recipe, which we are going to link down below, says that you should put it into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna put it in for about 7 minutes. I know you're mocking me. We're gonna put it in for about 7 minutes and check them just to make sure they don't burn. Because I always burn cookies. So you put them in the oven.
We put them in the oven for
No,
7 to 8 minutes. All right, and now we're gonna pause for a commercial break from our sponsors.
You're trying the coffee. How do you like it?
This is so good.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Get over here. Get over here.
It is
Okay.
cooking.
Try this. Or try hers. I don't really care. Then try hers. It's exactly the same thing. But isn't it amazing?
It's really good.
Okay. It's this, friend. There's a company called Trade Coffee Company, and they matched me with this.
Okay.
I took a quiz on their website, and they matched me.
So this is
It's
personalized to you.
It's personalized to me, but it's like matchmaking for people in coffee. And it's
Oh, that's
amazing.
awesome.
Isn't it awesome?
That's
like
amazing.
you.
Also, you can use my code Olivia Dinino and get 50% off your first bag.
Oh,
Up to
that's
$25
awesome.
back. I mean, come on.
Wait,
That's really cool.
50% off for up to $25 of your first bag of coffee.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
That's like,
Yes.
hey, get out here! It's not controversial.
Okay, the timer went off, and Katie is using her lovely hand goggles, hashtag hand goggles, to take out our wonderful monster cookies. Olivia had to step out for a second.
You know why they're
Just
called
kidding.
monster
She's
cookies?
right here.
You know why they're called monster cookies?
Why?
Ow,
Because they're scary good.
They're scary delicious.
I need to say that after the second take.
We are going to let these cool off, and then we're gonna eat them.
Yeah. And watch a movie, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, we're watching a movie.
Rom-com?
Girls' night.
And you can make a ton of cookies. Look how many cookies we have there. She's in the way. But that's a ton of cookies. We still have dough left over. You can make up
We
to like
do.
60 cookies with this.
Probably.
Or more.
Or more.
Or more.
Also, we learned that the time on the recipe was actually correct. It took about 11 minutes.
So 10 to 12 is 11.
Who knew? Who knew?
Who'd have thunk?
These are really good.
I think we need to do a victory dance.
I think you're right. And I think I know just the song to play
I think
for
I know
it.
the song too.
Wait,
Ready?
ready? Set,